Hi, Eddie's Kitchen 친구분들. Today, let's cook something savory, healthy, and delicious using shishito peppers and potatoes. It is called 꽈리고추 감자 JoRim in Korean. Get about half pounds of shishito peppers, 꽈리고추, and remove the tops. If you cannot find them, you can also use banana peppers or some other kinds of mild peppers instead. Of course, if you enjoy eating spicy food, you can use hot peppers. Poke holes in the peppers with a toothpick to help with the flavoring. Chop the yellow potatoes, 감자, and the onions, 양파, into bite-sized chunks. Slice the garlic cloves, 마늘, thinly. In a large wok or pot, add the water, the soy sauce, and the sugar. Mix it until the sugar dissolves. Then add the sliced garlic and the dried kelp into the sauce. This dried kelp is called 다시마 in Korean, and it enhances the flavor of the sauce a little, but it is okay to skip it. Once the sauce starts to boil, cook it for about 2 minutes on medium-high. After 2 minutes, discard the kelp. Now, add all prepared veggies into the sauce and cook for 15 minutes on medium-high or until your potatoes are done cooking. 15 minutes later, turn off the heat and sprinkle the sesame seed on top before serving. The sweet, salty, and savory flavor along with the slightly bitter pepper flavor is amazing. Please try someday. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.